Do you need fast funding for your small business? We provide quick small business funding from $500 today and up to $2 million in 48 hours. Our loan programs are limited documentation and very easy to qualify. Let's figure out how much you need, as our programs are not credit score driven. At DAC, we are passionate about helping entrepreneurs, which is why we created a digital one-stop solution for business funding. With one-on-one support from our team of funding experts, we simplify the funding process with one simple application that only takes minutes to complete. Imagine the possibilities when you have the right financial support at your fingertips. Funding from DAC will allow you to focus on growing your business. Our funding can be utilized for a wide range of purposes, including purchasing inventory, upgrading equipment, expanding or renovating, or simply pay down operational costs. Complete the application, get a decision, receive your funds, and lower your stress level. Happy funding.
After countless attempts to secure funding, every bank I approached shut their doors on me, leaving my business aspirations hanging by a thread. Just when I thought all hope was lost, I discovered David Allen Capital. To my amazement, they provided me with funding on the very same day. Their instant funding option, offering up to $10,000 in just 10 minutes. That was a game changer for my business. The swift and hassle-free process with David Allen Capital not only saved my business, but also restored my faith in the possibility of supportive financial partnerships. I am incredibly grateful for their efficient service and highly recommend them to anyone in need of immediate financial assistance.
At David Allen Capital, our owners and many of our agents are former business owners themselves, so they completely understand what it takes to start, grow, and sustain a business long term. They also know the challenges with getting the funding you need through the banks during those tough times. Not only do the banks have very stringent guidelines, if you do qualify, it can take several weeks, even months to get the funding you need. By then it can be too late. With that, there are few options of banks that are willing to work with business owners. Those have always been the challenges with the big banks. So what makes us special, and what do we provide that the banks don't? First, our application process is much simpler and faster without the red tape of the big banks. We pair you with the top 20 alternative lenders to give you the very best chance at getting the funding you need fast, saving you time, effort, and money. We also understand that a lot of businesses may not be able to maintain a 700+ credit score during those challenging times. That's where we're different. We value cash flow over credit score. Our funding process is easy. First, you fill out our simple online application. Second, you send us 3 months bank statements with your application. And third, we send you the offers from our lenders and you decide which is the best for you. Join our community of businesses that have found continued success with our funding platform. We understand that there are a lot of questionable funding sources out there. Fortunately, we have the proven reputation and countless testimonials for over a decade. Many of our funding customers have come back for funding several times as their businesses grew. That's a very special part of what we do. Look over the details on our services, then click on the button at the bottom of this page for our application. Please note, our pre-qualification process does not affect your credit score. For any questions you may have, you'll see your funding agent contact information at the bottom of this page. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to helping you achieve all of your goals and dreams.